Best Home Security System, Eufy Honest Review. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll be doing a review right here for the Eufy Security Systems. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to buy the security systems over here from Eufy. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So currently I'm in the Eufy website over here, and here are their security system products. So they have CCTVs over here, video doorbell, and a lot more. So currently, this is their best seller over here, the Eufy floodlight camera. So let's check this out. So here it is. It's their best seller. It's a dual cam camera, and it has 360 degrees coverage, so it covers your whole area, and it has 24/7 recording. So here are the specs. So 24/7 recording, so always on and always recording when a local storage has been enabled by installing a micro SD card or connecting to Eufy Home Base S380. It also has a 360 camera coverage that keeps track to detected people. It has dual 2K or 3K cameras, so it really has a high quality camera, and also has an 8x hybrid zoom, up to 3K resolution, and can capture details from up to 50 feet or 15 meters away. And it also has a 2000 lumen smart defense light, so features adjustable brightness, a loud 95 decibel alarm for enhanced security. And then it also has a fast and stable connectivity with 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6. So you can enjoy faster speeds and reliable connectivity with full support for dual band Wi-Fi 6. So if you want to buy this product and check it out, make sure to click on the link in the description below so you can also get special discounts and special promos if you're going to buy the security systems over here from Eufy. So that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.